Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is really special because I'm rebuilding my very first LEGO Technic set, the Koenigsegg Jesko Absolut Grey Hypercar. This was the first LEGO set I ever built, long before I even had this YouTube channel. I decided to take it apart just so I could rebuild it again for you, and I'm so excited to share every part of the process. If you enjoy LEGO Technic car builds like this, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the bell so you won't miss the next parts of builds. Back when I started by building the core of the car, basically the foundation that holds everything together. This includes the main chassis of the car, which gives it its structure and shape. At this stage you can already start to see the frame forming, and it's always so satisfying to see how Technic sets begin from just a few beams and connectors. The build wasn't too hard, but it already shows how detailed and clever LEGO Technic engineer really is. In Bag 2, I moved on the engine and some of the functional mechanisms inside the car. This includes the system that allows the door to open upward, just like the real Koenigsegg Jesko. It's really fun to build because you can actually see how the gears and axles connect and how the movement works, even though the doors themselves aren't built yet at this stage. It's a great mix of creativity and real engineering. So far, these first two bags are super fun to build. The structure is solid and the mechanical parts are really well designed. You can tell this is one of the LEGO Technic most impressive sets. And since this was my first ever LEGO set, rebuilding it now feels extra meaningful. This set has 7 bags in total, so there is still a lot to come, including the doors, the body panels, and of course, that amazing dihedral synchro helix door system. Make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss the next part. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.